Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Fallout cookbook. Today we're making iguana on a stick. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to want to cut into bite-sized pieces 2 7.5-ounce duck breasts. Or if you're in the post-apocalypse, you can use iguana. We couldn't find more than 2 duck breasts at the store, so I had to cut the meat off the bone of duck legs, which was very annoying, but manageable. So if you're increasing the recipe and you can't for some reason get duck breasts or not as much duck breasts, duck legs work very well. And yes, I did say that entirely because I have 2 separate recording instances of cutting duck, and I didn't want to shorten them down all into that first little line of dialogue. This is all padding for time. Anyway, now you're going to skin 5 cloves of garlic. I gotta use 10 cloves. I'm happy I like garlic. Now in a food processor, you're going to put your garlic, half a cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, and half a teaspoon of ground ginger. You blend that until smooth, put it into a big freezer bag, and add in your duck chunks, and you're going to put that in the fridge for 2 hours, turning it once, shaking it once after an hour. Now you're going to take half a red onion, and you're going to cut it into quarters and separate the layers. And I found out while making this, if your onion is refrigerated beforehand, the color from the skin won't leak into your fingers. Either that's the case, or the smaller onion is just funky and weird. Now you're going to take your skewers. If you're using wooden skewers, you're going to soak them in water for half an hour before they go in the barbecue. If you're using metal skewers like me, that's not an issue. And you're just going to add duck chunk, onion, duck chunk, onion. Just alternate the duck chunks and onions, and then you're going to put it on the grill on high for 5 to 10 minutes, flipping occasionally until all sides are crisp. And then you enjoy. These were quite good. Not as scrumdiddlyumptious as I was hoping for, but still very, very good, and I still would make them again. I don't know why they weren't as scrumdiddlyumptious as I thought they'd be. Maybe I just had a heightened expectation of duck, because the last time I had duck, it was one of the best things I've ever eaten, probably. But very good, highly recommend. 8 out of 10.